Hello, YouTube world. How you doing today? I was here to talk about Rebatsme. I've been using Rebatsme for a little bit, and this is my second time getting cash back. Cause look at it, I'm doing well. Let me explain to you how Rebatsme works. There's a couple of ways to get paid with Rebatsme: referring friends and getting them to shop online and earn money from saving money online, shopping online, as they do cashback, money cashback. And then there's you shopping online, getting cashback. What better, you know, way to do it? If you're already a avid online shopper, then why not? Why not go ahead and shop online and save money and make money at the same time? So um, it might not seem like much, but this $20.32. Um, I've done most of my shopping I did at Walmart.com. My first time I did it, got paid was, I let it get to $20.47, and I paid myself out. Here are some of my purchases from Walmart.com primarily, and here are the cash back on there. And here's the money I made when I originally started Refer a Friend. And that you too could be making money, saving money online, shopping online. It's Rebatsme. So check it out. The link is in the description if you're interested in earning a free $10.